What's over
Toys. What presents?
here? Yeah, what do you think about that?
I don't know what's in here.
You don't?
See what's in here.
Is it a beautiful baby doll?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Look at this.
What's in there? Is that a cool ballet bag?
Now let's open it. Now Kenzie.
Santa brought you a beautiful ballet skirt?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Beautiful.
That is very beautiful.
Now let's have a lot of presents in here.
Daddy's already got the garbage bag.
Look it.
That goes on your head? Yeah. Now you can be like a ballerina fairy.
What's in here? Oh my goodness, what's in here? Look it.
Leg warmers like Miss Nicole's.
Yeah.
Pretty cool. Look at this beautiful crib for your babies. Isn't that beautiful?
Yeah.
Let's see
I
what
like
it says. It says, to Olive from Santa. And you get to feed baby in a high chair?